Hi, my name is Nicole. This is the digital badge for the Buret. First, you're going to need to rinse the Buret 3 times with water before adding any actual titrant. When you do this, you want to make sure that the Buret stopper is perpendicular to the rest of the Buret or parallel to the table so that this doesn't let out any liquid. Then you're going to make this parallel to the Buret to let out some liquid. Then you're going to release it from the clam, gently turn it sideways, and then rinse the rest of the Buret. This is a Buret stand, and this is a Buret clamp, which you just tighten onto this, and then you open this up and clamp the Buret in, and then this holds it for you. So you repeat that cleaning 3 times. After rinsing with water, you can see that the Buret does drain properly, and there was no air bubbles or anything, and this is going to drain the whole way up to the tip. Next, when you add the titrant, you have to rinse the Buret 3 times with that to clean out all of the water to make sure that the inside is coated with the chemical that you are then adding for your titrant. And to do this, you're going to be using a Buret funnel, which goes in the top of the Buret, and then you need to put a little paper clip on the side here so that it doesn't create a vacuum in the Buret. Now I'll be pouring some of the titrant into the Buret funnel to rinse out the Buret. Take out the funnel. I'm going to release a little bit of liquid. I'm going to do something I did with the water where you tilt it and then let the sides get rinsed. This is also done 3 times. Here the Buret is draining properly on its last round of cleaning before putting the actual full titrant. Now we're ready to fill up the Buret to the 0 line at the top with this titrant. First, you have to make sure that the stopper at the bottom is perpendicular to the Buret so that no liquid comes out. Then you take the Buret funnel and place it in the top of the Buret like before. And then you can fill up the Buret to the line.
My name is Abby Hadley, and this is the digital vacuum for the Buret.
And if you initially go a little bit over, that's okay. You just have to take the waste container and empty it out to the appropriate amount. After that is done, you can remove the waste and place it in the flask, making sure that the tip of the Buret is inside the flask so that all the liquid goes into the flask. Here on the nice paper, you can see at the difference between the black and white lines that this is in fact at 0. Sorry, cheeky. Once your Buret is full, you have to remove the funnel from the top before you can start making any types of measurements. The Buret has markings every 1/10 of a milliliter, so we can make estimates to the 100th place. So for here, it's just at 0 right now, so that'd be 0.00. You can see that throughout the body of the Buret, there are no bubbles, and then there are also no bubbles within the tip of the Buret. And if there were any bubbles, you could just tap it out or release a little bit at the bottom. Now I'm going to just mix some solution into this 1 ml flask, and then we can get a reading on that with my volume. I'm going to try to dispense about 6 milliliters.
Next, it's really important to rinse the Buret with the titrant. Otherwise, the titrant will be diluted by the water that was used to clean the Buret. For this, we're going to use it right now.
Here we can see that the bottom of the meniscus is a little bit below 6. So that was probably like, I'd probably dispense like 6.1 or 6.09 milliliters. Now I'm going to dispense about 4 more.
I'm going to dispense 4 more milliliters.
Using the paper, we can then see that this line is nearly exactly at 10 milliliters. The bottom of the necklace is nearly exactly at 10. So I would probably estimate that to be 10.001 at the most. Correction, I meant 10.01 milliliters. The final volume used in this titration is going to be 10.01 milliliters after both of the two smaller increments. The final amount, there's the flask at the bottom, and then the stop bag is horizontal. Every time you want to stop, dispensing liquid.